Good day and welcome to Africa International Training Institute. This is our orientation night, a privately owned and operated by Tech Pundit Pty Limited, an edutech innovator based in and registered in South Africa. I'm your host, Oye, the program's coordinator. Benefits of online continuous professional development, CPD short courses. Ability to learn at own pace, own time, and own space. Easy to follow and understand course content developed by pro in their various fields. It is affordable. It is borderless. It is emerging stroke trending. It helps validate learning. It is the future. Learn now and pay later without breaking the bank. Our programs eventually leads to CPD non-academic but valuable professional certificates. It is accessible on Android app, accessible on smartphones and browsers, accessible online anytime, any day, and from anywhere. Intuitive interface, ability to mark and see your course progress in real time. Access is controlled by you, users, which are students. Assessment is done online, quizzes and assignments. So it makes everything easy for you. Verifiable online in real time. And this is what the sample of our certificate looks like. A quick walkthrough of the learning platform itself. So what you want to do is visit our website, either on your phone or any smart device or a laptop or desktop. Okay, so you can log in with your username and password, or your email and password combined. Once you have successfully logged in, this is what you will see. If you are on mobile device, this is what your dashboard looks like after logging in. Okay, here we have the number of enrolled courses. If you have enrolled for one, you have one course here. If you have enrolled for two, you have two courses enrolled for here. And this is where you track the in progress number of courses. So one course is in progress and completed courses is none, because this account has not completed any course in reality. Okay, so this is what you want to do. Ensure that this icon, okay, dashboard icon is active. If it's not, okay, for instance, if you are on other pages, you just need to navigate and come back here. Okay, this is where you see number of courses. So you want to scroll down where you see continue studying. You click on view all. Once you click on view all, you are going to see all the courses that you have been registered and that has been registered and activated for you. Okay. So in this particular demo, this account has 3 courses, okay, registered. Okay, so for a course that is yet to be started, you have to see a button like this, start course. Okay, if you have started the course and you are returning back to it, you are going to see the button that says continue or continue. Okay, so I want to go back to a desktop view. This is a course that has been started already, so I'll click on continue, just so that you can see what the course content looks like. This is showing lesson 3, introduction to SQL and its importance. Okay, because the first 2 lessons has been marked completed. Okay, so this is where you want to check, read through the lesson content. Okay, and you can equally download the PDF versions where you can print them out and study even when you don't have internet access. Okay, so when this is done, you want to mark this as completed. Okay, it is not a must, but it's just a kind of way of showing how far you have gone in the studying. Okay, and you can see once I mark this as completed, okay, it has now been checked here as completed lesson, and the progress is now 8% completion. Okay, so that is how you do it. So now this is lesson 4. I'm assuming I've gone through this lesson, right? I can mark as completed. Note that we have 8% here on top here. Follow my cursor. And once I mark this as complete, whatever the weight of this lesson content is going to be added to this. It has added another 3%. Okay, so that's how you track the progress of how far you have gone with the lesson. Just scroll to the test of this particular module. Here we have the test. So the duration of the test, you are going to see everything before you start. You are going to see the total points, pass percent, and the total number of questions. So this is having 10 questions. The duration is 30 minutes. The percentage of pass is 50%. And you can click start quiz to start your quiz. I don't want to start this quiz because I don't want to reveal the questions, okay, to the students that have registered for this course until they get there. So it's a countdown. Once you click on start quiz, you have 30 minutes to complete the quiz. It is actually more than enough. The timing is very, very good. It's more than enough for you to understand. All you need to do is ensure that you have gone through all the 10 lessons, okay, of the module before you start that. And on assignment, you come to assignment, okay. You can read the question of the assignment, and here you can just type in, okay, and do whatever your answer is. Okay, some courses entails that you may not be able to express yourself fully, okay, without having, maybe you need to type, you need to draw and all that. That is where it is essential that you use this text box plus the attachment facility to attach whatever that's needed to be attached, okay. And once everything is done, you have to click submit. And once your assignment is submitted, it will be right there waiting for the course tutor to look at and mark and give the appropriate mark, okay, for you. In the case of the tests are computer based, meaning you do them online, you get your results right there and then. And the maximum number of times you can try a quiz is 2 times. Once you fail the first time, the second time is the last time you have access. Okay. In case or cases of glitch, the system have a way of understanding when there is a glitch, and the technical guys can then help you out in such cases. Okay, so basically that is how you navigate the learning platform. All right, so once that is done, you are done with your module 1. You can then move to the next module. Okay, and we can see the next thing that I quickly want to show is how do you verify your credentials on our online portal. You visit Afitinstitute, .org. From your learning portal, you can click on home button. It will take you to the site. This can equally be done on mobile device. So what you want to do is enter the email in which you want an OTP to be sent, because to verify, you need 2 information. You need an OTP and you equally need the certificate number. So once you enter the email that you want to receive the OTP, you then come to this button and click generate OTP. So you will see a response like this: OTP sent to your email, and the website will redirect waiting for you to enter the OTP. Okay, so this is the OTP that was sent to my email, and this is a certificate number. Okay, so you can see the certificate has been verified. Okay, so once that is done, the detail of the certificate is actually sent to that initial email you use in accessing the one-time verification PIN. So that is all to the platform. You can so that is all to this short video. Thank you for your time. In case you have any queries or questions, do well to visit the website as shown on the screen, afitinstitute.org. Thank you.